All right, what's going on, guys? So, Super Bowl is right around the corner next week. A lot of people are having parties. People are coming over to the house. They're doing grilling, barbecue, appetizers, and stuff like that. So let me show you how to make the best, easiest appetizer. We're doing smoke-fried ribs. So I'm gonna smoke these up. We're gonna fry them up. They're gonna taste awesome. Stick around, guys. Check it out. Here we go. All right, so what I have here is a slab of some baby back ribs. You could use some spare ribs if you want. It's up to you. You can do it however you want. But all I'm gonna do, get a butter knife, go through like that. Grab yourself a paper towel, get the membranes off. Just get a good grip on it. Hopefully it comes off in one try. There you go. Now all you gotta do for this is just keep these bone side up. I'm gonna go through each rib and just slice them into individual ribs. So you got one rib right there. You know, this rib looks like shit, I'm throwing it out. But all these other ones look really good, so you got your individual ribs like that. It's gonna be good smoking these like this anyway because you're gonna get more surface area for the smoke to cover them. I'm using a salt, pepper, and garlic rub, just all-purpose seasoning. Just gonna go over it pretty light. I wouldn't really use a sugary rub with this because even though I'm gonna bread these up and then we're gonna fry them, you just gotta watch out for too much sugar. It's probably gonna burn up, so I don't wanna risk it. All right, I've got some hickory pellets going on here. I'm just gonna set these ribs. We'll let these roll for like 2-3 hours. I'll check back. All right, so we got our ribs right here, like 3 hours and 20 minutes on the smoke at 365 degrees. They're tender enough, not falling off the bone, but they're really tender. I tried one, tastes really good. Just keep in mind, you could easily over salt these, so just be careful when you're seasoning them. But all I'm gonna do now is let them sit here, get to room temperature. If you want, you can throw them in the fridge. Then we're gonna batter them up, we're gonna fry them, and that's gonna be it. So here we go. Not gonna use any flour because I don't want the crust to be so thick. I'm just gonna go with some breadcrumb and the egg. You could just go with the plain breadcrumbs. I'm going with Italian style breadcrumbs right there. I just figure it's a little bit more flavor. So normally I would salt the egg and the breadcrumbs, but because, like I said, the ribs are a little on the saltier side, how they are, I'm just gonna leave them how it is. Might throw a little salt on after I fry them, but that's pretty much it. We're going 350 degrees. We're gonna fry these until they're golden brown. Not gonna take that long, probably like 2 or 3 minutes at the most. So you gotta have a dipping sauce to go with these ribs. So right here, I'm gonna do a honey mustard with a little bit of mayo in it. But obviously you could do barbecue sauce. You could do a buffalo style. If you wanna do Frank's Red Hot, you could do a regular tomato sauce like a marinara with a lot of garlic in it because the ribs are salt, pepper, and garlic with the Italian breadcrumbs. So if you wanna dip it in that, that would be good too. But I'm keeping it simple like this. So there it is, guys, some smoke-fried game day ribs right there for you with the honey mustard mayo. Just gonna dip it in there for you. Super crunchy on the outside, tender on the inside. You can see this, I don't know if you can see the smoke ring. Super smoky. If you make these for the next party you throw, or the Super Bowl, or whatever you're gonna do, you're gonna look pretty smart for making these, I guarantee it. Try them out. But once again, guys, thank you for watching the videos. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace out. Thank you.